The largest state in the United States is Alaska and is undergoing dramatic changes due to climate change. The United States and EPA reports that Alaska has warmed by almost 3 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 60 years. Warming during the winter periods averaged close to 6 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is having significant impacts on ecosystems. Annual temperatures are projected to increase, thus causing an earlier breakup of river ice during springtime. Precipitation is also projected to increase, but greater evaporation due to warm temperature will make the state drier. One of the most prominent threats, however, is the thawing of permafrost in the Arctic tundra. New York Times reported that permafrost, which is frozen ground, is no longer permanent in the tundra region. Reports estimate that by 2050, tundra's permafrost could be gone and release stored ancient carbon, thus exacerbating the warming even further. Loss of permafrost will create uneven sinking of the ground and lead to disruption of transportation infrastructure, as many roads are built on top of the permafrost. Additionally, permafrost thaw will allow lakes to drain more readily and result in further plant growth at the bottom of lakes. The lakes are also expected to grow in size as more permafrost thaw. This will affect tundra vegetation, which in turn will affect various animals. In particular, shrubs will replace lichens, which is the primary food source for caribou, and caribou is the critical food source for wolves, bears, and Alaska natives. Unfortunately, there is not any specific solution being developed to save permafrost. Scientists are continuing to study and monitor the region and make reports. A decrease in permafrost loss will depend on the global powers to come together and do everything possible to mitigate the warming of the climate.